How to change culture in Evony. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are a fan of Evony and wondering how to make your civilization strong by changing your culture, here is how you do it. First of all, launch open Evony game on your device and then from the home screen, go ahead and click on the three dots menu at the bottom right corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll all the way down and click on Change Culture. Now, select a different culture you want to change to. Once you do that, click Select underneath your preferred culture. Your game will restart. It'll take a while to load since it will be checking new updates for the culture. And once it starts, you'll be able to change your culture. Each culture has unique bonuses like faster troop training, better resource gathering, or stronger infantry. And that's it. Changing your culture in Evony is easier than it sounds. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.